It's time to make some visual progress, and we couldn't be more excited about it.
Get a load of this.
There's a hurricane coming, but that's not going to stop us from working.
Look at that storm brewing.
Let's see how much we can actually get done before the weather gets too bad.
It's a new week and we are working on the...
Is that my turn?
Yeah, your turn.
We're working on the ceiling panels.
Ceiling panels. I just started. He was working by himself for a little while. What you got there?
Scribe.
A scribe? We don't have a scribe.
I made it.
You made a scribe?
Yeah. You're gonna hold this up. It's gonna be like a gap like this big.
Okay.
Stick my arm in there and trace along.
Okay.
I need to cut. It's gonna just write on the board. Does that make sense?
I think so, yeah. That's how you hold it?
Yep. Just like that. Don't move.
Will it work?
Push it up over there. It's gonna work though.
Oh, wow. That was your first try, too?
Hell yeah.
That's impressive.
Works.
It's better to always start with the easy project first, because then you feel productive. I'm gonna be sneezing. There you go. I'm sweating.
Yeah.
I need like a little sweat towel or something. We did it!
So hot out here. The first layer of the ceiling done. All the wall panels are cut out, put up. Doesn't look that great, but you won't see it.
I think it looks great. We now have a ceiling all the way back. Bloop, bloop. Obviously there is a crack right down the center, and that's gonna be covered by our wood slats, and then we'll have puck lights all throughout them. It is about to rain. We are calling it. So you gotta see these clouds.
Whoa. Oh yeah, honey, nice B-roll. Get a load of this.
Look at that storm brewing. Guess where we are? Home Depot. Why are we returning this wood?
This wood sucks. We didn't want to spend a bunch of money on the birch, so we got the cheaper version. Word to the wise, get the birch. When you screw into this, it just goes right through it.
Yeah. $45
versus $30.
6 of them. That's crazy. We're contemplating. We don't know what we're doing right now, but right now we are looking for boards for the slats. We don't know which wood to get. So, you're just hanging out the back.
6 foot.
Yeah. It'll be fine. 6 feet off the back of the truck. We have decided. We're only gonna get one of these. It's gonna be a test. We've decided that we want to gauge better how many slats we're gonna need first before we go and drop $150. Plus, this will be a good idea for us to get lights up in the van.
This guarantees us another trip back to Home Depot.
Your favorite place.
Oh no.
Oh no, they're taking our cart.
That's us.
Wait. Alright, hopefully people see that. Amateurs. You know there's a hurricane coming, right? Let's see if it's the right length. Yeah!
What is up? Good morning. We are back at it again underneath a hurricane warning. So we're trying to take advantage of the nice breezy weather before it comes. Got a good head start yesterday. Feels nice to already have the ceiling panels in. But last night, got the bottom section of wall panels in. You can tell that's already making a huge difference, and it's really lifting our spirits to see some actual visual progress. Got some outlets installed, but the plan today is to get this side fully finished with wall panels. It's going to be a lot of precision cutting. We got a bump out here we got to deal with. We got a bump out there. We got switches and plugs right here. Also think I need to add another strip of stud right there, but let's get it.
While Johnny is working on the wall frame, I'm working on the servo. It still seems to be loading, and I think I need to change some of the settings, but eventually we'll be able to see our tank levels, our gray water tank, and our freshwater tank levels, and our propane tank all on this screen. So this is really exciting, and I have been trying to figure out how to work this for a little while, so stay tuned.
Okay, my brain hurts. This is the wall panel going on the passenger side. Basically drew out all the cutouts on a piece of paper with the dimensions so I can cut it out. Hopefully I don't mess up. Here we go. You want to do it? You don't want to do it?
I'll do it if you want me to do it. While Johnny is working on the other wall panel, I am going to be wiring in these plugs. So there's gonna be a plug here, and then there's gonna be a timer here, and then there's gonna be another switch here. So I'm really excited because our wall is starting to look like a home wall.
What's the timer for?
The timer is for the hot water heater, which is 110, and it's actually gonna be heated by what in the van? Something in the van?
The van.
The van. It's also going to be heated by the van. But until we get it hooked into the van, we'll be able to also use our 110 power through our inverter. So that's pretty awesome. But the timer is great because we'll be able to turn it on for, let's say 60 minutes. It'll automatically turn off in case we forget to turn it off. Good job.
You wanna go for a run? Huh? Huh?
What is up? Good morning. Another day, another rainy day. We barely survived the hurricane last night. Just kidding, it wasn't that bad. But still gonna be a day of rain. We're gonna get as much accomplished as possible. Really want to get these wall panels finished, but we'll see. It's gonna be tough with the rain.
The van is a disaster again. But it does look a lot better with some wall panels up, giving us motivation. This is my next piece, going across the whole van. But, as you can tell, got some wires. Got to figure those out. So, more cutting. Clarissa is stuck working, so I have to try to hang this panel by myself. I came up with a genius idea to put some little blocks right here, right here, right here. So I kind of lean it on there and hold it up. Hopefully that's the right measurement. We'll see. Here we go. Be a lot of in and out. That was not easy to do by myself, but we made it happen.
Did it.
On to the next. All right, got this last one cut out. Last step is we're gonna have 2 outlets in this wall. We're gonna have cigarette lighter for the fridge that's gonna eventually pull out right here. And Clarissa told me one more thing and I can't remember. Oh yeah, the Serbo, the monitor that she was showing off. We're gonna have the wires coming out somewhere around here. So I'm gonna measure that up real quick, go and cut it, and install it.
I think it finally stopped raining. That's gonna do it for us today. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And always, stay wild.